Ito, kantan.
Andito po kami sa bilihan ng mga halaman ulit.
Ulit.
Magtatanim ulit
Ulit.
kami. Anong binibili mo doon?
Kantan siguro.
Ano yan? Shishito. O yan,
Shishito.
masarap yan.
Ito na lang.
Hi everyone! Welcome back sa channel namin. If matagal na kayong kasama namin, you probably remember this channel as Japan Journey. Today, we're starting a new chapter with new name, Libot Japan. It's been about a year since our last upload. During that time, we moved back to the Philippines to pursue our dreams of building our own bakery. Before that, we had lived in Japan for almost 20 years. So leaving everything behind wasn't an easy decision for my family, especially for me. But we stepped out in faith, believing that God was leading us. While we were in the Philippines, we worked on our business and had the privilege of serving in different churches every Sunday. Looking back, kahit na hindi natuloy ang business namin and our bakery, I don't regret that season. It became one of the happiest and most meaningful chapters of our lives. I learned to appreciate the simple things in life, spend time with my family, especially to my mother-in-law. And most importantly, I learned that wherever God places us, whether nasa Japan kami or nasa Philippines, our mission is the same. To love people, serve others, and share the good news, the gospel of Jesus Christ. During that season, I also experienced 2 miscarriages, and our business plan did not work out. It was painful. We lost a lot. Loss of money, loss of time, and honestly, hindi ko talaga maintindihan ng time na yon. I was almost crying every day. After much prayer, we decided to come back to Japan and start over again. Kaya nandito na kami ulit. By God's grace, me and my husband, found full-time jobs at a restaurant as a full-time employee. It wasn't the future we had imagined, but it was God's way of providing for us. Today, we're still rebuilding, slowly paying our debts and trusting Him, God, one day at a time. One unexpected blessing was that I was given the opportunity to become a kitchen manager. Na-promote ako. Looking back, I can see that even when our plans changed, God was still leading us. Our dream of owning a restaurant or a bakery is still alive. Yan. I'm not losing hope. But for now, we're working hard, saving, learning, and trusting God's perfect timing. That's why we decided to bring this channel back. Libot Japan is more than not just a travel channel. It's where we'll share our real life in Japan, our work, our family journey, our travels, okay, and our journey to starting over. If you're also in a season of rebuilding like us, I hope our story encourages you. Sometimes God changes our direction, but He never leaves us. Thank you so much for being here and supporting us through the years. Welcome back to our new channel, Libot Japan. Let's continue this journey together. God bless us all. Cucumber.
Na-heartbroken tayo last year.
Na heartbroken.
Genesis yung main,
Malay mo, hindi na.
main song.
Ay, hindi ka talaga kakuha nito. Ito po yung ano nila, oh.
This one.
Ano yung tawag dyan?
Ensai.
Ensai. Ayan po yung kangkong.
Ang kangkong ng Japan.
Oh. Ensai. 7月だよの。7月。7月から10月まで。Ayaw mo to? Isa lang. Para hindi ka na mag-antay niyan. 248 lang to, Paps. 248 lang. Ay, di magkuha ka din yan. Di ba natatandaan mo
Kakainin na.
years ago, ang tagal nila. Tapos yung kakain, Ah, gusto kong halos every other week. Ha?
Yeah. Sobrang
Kangkong.
dami naman kasi last year na hindi na.
Hindi, kulang nga sa atin yung kangkong. Nauurot. Mabagal eh. Oh. Kangkong. Ito, oh, may puti silang ampalaya ulit. Hindi namin gusto yung puting ampalaya kasi hindi po siya masarap. Ano siya eh, hindi siya crunchy. Ito naman yung ampalaya nila na hindi mapait masyado. Mamiga mildo. Kahit taro. Medium size. Tapos meron din sila na malalaki. Itong isa na ampalaya ay mabilis lang magkaroon ng yung fruits niya. Tapos may ampalaya na they have here. Oh. Ito naman ay malalaki. Chonaga. Ito daw mahaba. Ito, malalaki. But I don't know until when. Try na. Tingnan natin. So, ito malapit na. Kugatsu made. Rokugatsu kanape. Ah, arigato. Sore mochikaeri dekimasu. Tada. Ayan. Dami. Sitaw. Ano to, Dad? Ano nga to? Kangkong. Diyan makahiya.
会計4526円です。 失礼いたします。
Ito yung pinamili ni Daddy. Oops! Ay! Ang... Go! Ako umuulan. It's raining. Bye-bye plants. See you again. Ito yung mga trees na tinda nila, Dado. Meron silang blueberry. Ito kami sa aming bicycle. Umuulan! Sana makakuha na kami ng sasakyan. Kasi ang hirap.
Lord, listen to your children crying.
Dumaan ka muna sa house.
Yeah. Lord, send your spirit in this day.
Paano namin to iuwi?
Yan na naman. Magiging kabayo na naman yung ating mga bisikleta.
Umuulan. Kanina nang pagpunta ko, hindi naman nag-ulan.
Yung mga jambon-jambon lang.
Ha?
Yung mga jambon-jambon lang.
Bukas din, uulan. Sasakay dyan. Okay.
Ako,
Tinaas mo?
Oo, dito ka.
Hindi ko masyadong abot. Masyado ako maliit. Maulan po dito ngayon sa Japan. Ang tawag dyan, tsuyu. Rainy season.
you. For me, to you.
Ito yung panlinis ng ano yun, no? Ng soil.
Ang buhay.
Old soil.
Resurrection.
Anong tawag dyan? Resurrection.
Resurrection chemical.
Chemical. Ganun ba yun? Gawa-gawa ka lang eh. Hindi naman yun. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Sa'yo. Ah.
Tatali. Hingi ka.
Wala tayong tali eh. Yes, more one.
Huwag mo ilalaglag ang aking mga babies. Gumagawa siya ng
Paraan.
para-paraan.
Paraan lang yan.
Hindi kaya magkaano-ano yan, Dad.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Baka maputol yung tomato. Baka na yung iba dito sa akin.
Ngayon, maliliit.
Lagyan natin dito sa atin. Ayan. Ilagay natin. Dill. Ano tawag ko kanina? Dill?
Dell. Parang computer lang. Dell. Ano ba nanin mo? Dell? Computer? Intel 7.
Sorry, Bicolana po.
Intel.
Bicolana. Intel.
Intel.
Dell.
Dell po, Dell.
Ano ba tawag doon? Dell. Whatever.
Whatever. O, yan. Yun na lang. Ano tawag dyan? Whatever.
Maulan. Kailangan maglagay ng ano. Papa, lagyan mo nga ako. Ng ano. Tapos ang lakas pa ng
Sa ngalan ng vlogging.
dali. Wala.
Ha? Nashoot na ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Tama ba yun?
Yan. Wala tayong pangsip.
Wala akong wala akong cup.
Yeah.
Ano yung ano ko eh.
Wala tayong pangsipit.
Aray ko.
Ayan.
Anong pansipit?
Pangsipit na.
Babasa ako, kakaligo ko pa naman, Dad. Can I borrow the cap?
Hindi ko tayo ulit.
Cup. Cup. Natatanggal sa'yo? Hindi.
Huh?
Natatanggal?
Oh, tatanggal yung buhok.
Mahal! Can you put it to me? Maligo pa naman ako. Tapos mababasa lang ang buhok ko. Daddy, tulungan mo kaya ako. Sa kanya red.
Salamat, Emil.
Si Valentin. Yung friend ni Valentin.
Salamat po, Emil.
Wala na yata.
Ha? Hindi na ba ito? Hindi na nilalagay.
Saan? Wala na?
Wala na. Sira na. Let's go. At naghihintay ng ano. Magagalit
Okay,
na
alis na
naman
po
yan.
kami.
Sabihin siya na naman mag-isa na.
Susunduin ko si baby.
Lagi
Andito
na
yung
lang.
key.
Ha?
Oh, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye na. Ay? The key here. Bakit ako naka-lipstick?
Ha? Wala kang lipstick. Asan na yung key?
Yung key sa'yo.
Wala sa akin.
Yung key
Ay, yung key mo. Diyan. Yung key dito wala sa akin.
Andyan, nakasaksak.
Oh. Okay. Oh, let's go po. Bye. Pag magtatanim si Papa, iba-vlog niya din.